What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Austin Pratt with Proper Pressure Washing here. Today we're going to be doing a hard water stain removal on these windows here, and we've got a couple more that we're going to be doing. As you can see, I did my little demo spot right here just to see what the results were going to be, and it's going to turn out pretty well. So I'm going to kind of walk you guys through the process that we do real quick and show you some hands-on, and then we'll show you the after. So first thing we're going to do is wet the window down here. Just give it a nice quick scrub. On this specific window, we've got some paint overspray up here and then really hard water stains throughout this entire panel and this panel over here. This one isn't as bad. This one is definitely a lot worse. So we're going to take our chemical solution here. It's a powder-based substance which allows us to remove these water stains. We've got our very, very fine grit steel wool. We're just going to kind of rub it from top to bottom, all the way throughout. And this is totally okay to use on the windows because it is the finest grit. It's not very coarse. It's very smooth, so it's not going to scratch the windows when done professionally. I like to go kind of up and down, side to side. This gets it in all of the grooves inside those stains and helps remove it. Most of the time we're able to do just one application and it removes it. It just really depends on the severity of the stains. Sometimes you have to do a couple applications of it, but for the most part it comes all the way out. So it's not very time consuming, it's just labor intensive, and you got to make sure that you keep this surface wet. It's kind of like wet sanding almost. It allows it to not get too close to the substrate, but it does just enough to remove what we need to. So now that we scrubbed that, we're going to squeegee it off, rinse it, and then do a final clean on the window. As you can see, this thing is good as new. You can see on the video stains in this area. It's actually on the back side of the panel. This is the bathroom here. So I think, yeah, you might be able to see through the video. There's a curtain rod right there. That's where the shower is. So that water that's splashing, up from the faucet is hitting onto that back window. All right, now we're going to do our final detail on this window here. Wipe off the frame. Boom, that one's all good to go.